Hello friends, in this video I shall show what is the git branch merge. So let's start. This is the first commit and I want to create a new branch and do some commits on that branch. So git branch new and check out to that branch, git checkout new and do some commits. New one, new two. Right now check out the master branch and do some commits. Master 1 and master 2. Now what I want to do is merge the new branch in the master branch. So do it, git merge new. What is the important thing? Important thing is that if you are merging any branch onto some another branch, so you have to be on that branch to merge, right? As I want to merge the new branch on the master branch, so it is important to be on the master. After that you can merge the new, right? So as I am currently on the master because head is pointing to that, so it means I am on the master and now I can merge the new branch. So enter it and now you can see that a new commit has been created and it is pointing to the both commits. So let's see in the VS Code. So first of all log the commits, git log -p. Here is the one commit, right? Same as this commit. What is the next step? Create a new branch and do two commits on that branch. So let's start. Git branch new and git checkout new. Git checkout new and do two commits. Git commit -am new one. So before that do some changes. New one commit and again new 2 and commit it, right? Now check out the master and do some more commits on that. Git commit -am and master 1. But now I will do some changes in this file because I don't want to face any issue of merge conflict. So I'm changing in another file. So master 1 and save it and commit. Again master 2, save and commit. Okay, clean the screen and you can now log the commits master 2, master 1 and that was the previous one commit, right? Clean. And now what I want to do, I want to merge the new branch on the master. So git merge new. Merge has been done and now you can see the commits that were done on the new branch also in the master branch, right? So I am currently on the master branch. Git branch, you can see that the star is on the master, so it means I am on the master branch and from the master branch I can see all the changes also done on the new branch and committed it, right? So all the features that have been implemented using the branch new, that has been added in the master branch also, right? So this was the commit done on the master and this was the commit done on the new branch, and after merging the features that have been implemented on the new branch have been added in the master branch. New branch, so if you git log -p, you can see that this is the new commit that has been created, this one, this green one, and this is the master commit, master 2, and this is the master 1 commit, and this is the new 2 and new 1. All the commits are now present on the master branch. So commit history has been added in the master commit history, right? And there will be one more commit. This is the commit one, that was the previous commit, right? And if you do check out new branch and if you do log, you will not see any commits of the master, right? You will only be able to see the commits of that branch, that means new branch, this one. If you are on this, you can see this commit history, and if you are on this, you can see this also and this also along with this. And these commits will be arranged in the timestamp order, right? this is the git merge. That's it. Thank you.